Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store live. First, navigate to your Shopify admin and complete the initial setup. This involves choosing a distinctive store name that resonates with your brand. Then, accurately input your business address and contact details. Ensure you select the correct currency and time zone for your operations. Finally, establish your store's legal pages, including refund, privacy, and terms of service policies, which are crucial for customer trust and compliance. Next, it is time to populate your store with products. Begin by uploading compelling, high-resolution images and writing clear, descriptive product details that highlight key features. Group similar items into intuitive collections, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Carefully set your product pricing, manage inventory levels, and define shipping parameters. Remember to create product variants, such as different sizes or colors, to offer a comprehensive selection to your shoppers. Now, let's focus on your store's appearance and accessibility. Choose a professional theme from the Shopify theme store that aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Personalize it by adjusting colors, fonts, and the overall layout to create a unique shopping experience. Be sure to add crucial informational pages, such as an About Us section and a contact page, for customer support. Finally, connect your custom domain name, giving your store a professional and memorable web address. The final steps involve setting up your payment and shipping options, then launching. Integrate secure payment gateways, such as Shopify payments or popular third-party providers like PayPal, to process customer transactions smoothly. Define your shipping zones, calculate precise rates, and offer various delivery methods to meet customer expectations. Conduct a thorough review of all your store settings to ensure everything is perfect. Once ready, simply remove any store passwords to officially open your online shop to the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.